Hi everybody, welcome to the class. I just wanted to talk about the course calendar for a moment. What we have on the course calendar is on Sunday, it's listed actually as Don't Make Me Think. And if you look in the discussion board, you'll find actually the topic discussion. And if you look in course materials, you'll find the module for Don't Make Me Think, chapters 1 and 2. And that's what you should read. And that's kind of, if we were in a physical classroom, we'd be talking about it this week. What you need to do is post your comment by Tuesday the week after. So that would be on the 5th. Then we cover the next two chapters, 3 and 4, and you have to post your comment by the 12th. Okay, and that's kind of how the whole semester goes. You'll see that all lined up in the course materials and the discussion board posted. It should be fairly clear, at least I hope anyway. What I wanted to just mention is what we have here is this usability test. And of course, that's what the book is about. You know, we don't actually get to the usability test until the end of the book. But what I want you to do is, like if we were in a classroom, I'd say partner with the person next to you, pull up your final project from CS8, and ask that person to use your website. And when I say use your website, it's like, for example, if you made your website about hiking, what you might say is, can you use my website and see if you can find a mountain you would like to hike up? Okay? And then you just simply watch to see what they do. How do they, what do they click on your menu options? Because when we design a website, we know exactly what to do, but it may not be as intuitive for somebody else. So it's a nice way to have somebody look at your website and tell you what they think. Generally, you want to ask them to talk out loud. Okay? And then, of course, through the next couple of weeks, we'll actually learn a little bit more about usability testing, and your first big project that you have due will be on usability testing, which we're going to work in groups on. Now, speaking of that, when you develop software, the first assignment's going to be get a NetBeans setup. You already know how to use NetBeans, and so set up the project again. And you want to follow along on the assignment. So if you go to assignments, you'll find that first assignment and follow along with the videos and set up the way I have it. I'm trying to help you work with this. And so you're going to basically set up Git to use for yourself. And then once you do that, then we're going to look at setting Git to work up in a group. And I've got videos all set up for you. Like everything else you've probably learned, 1,000 things can go wrong, but we've got a discussion board. Ask questions when you get stuck, okay? But for now, start thinking about who you're going to ask to look at your CS8 final project and have them tell you what they think. Again, it's not, tell me what, don't ask them questions. Do you like the color scheme or things like that? It's try to find this. If you did it about movies, can you find a movie and the information you want? And then ask them to think out loud. Because usability is finding the information and using your website, not in how it looks. Okay?